welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2020 Chevrolet Trax. This vehicle is featured in black metallic paint with alloy rims, black leather interior, heated seats, rear privacy tint, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, four-wheel drive, and remote start. Now on to the interior of the Trax. We'll take a look at a few of the interior features. On our door panel, we have our chrome door handle, window and mirror controls, Bose speaker and storage, power adjustable seats on the side of the seat. Off to the left of the steering wheel, we have our lighting controls, and then our gauge cluster features our screen off to the right. The steering wheel has cruise control and radio controls, and it's wrapped in black leather. And we have our push start, leather across the dash area, as well as our infotainment screen here, displaying our radio. We also have our home page. We can see we have Apple CarPlay, phone connectivity, Wi-Fi hotspot. We also have an integrated reverse camera with adaptive guidelines. Below that we have our radio controls, climate controls, as well as lane departure warning. Then a couple of charging ports underneath. We have our gear selection stock, manual emergency brake, and then 4 cup holders in the center console area. Here's the key for the Trax. You can see we have remote start and our lock and unlock buttons, and then Chevrolet badge on the back. The front seats are featured in black leather with copper stitching, and there are heated seats up front. On the rearview mirror, we have our OnStar controls. Above that, our dome lights and dome light settings, and sunroof and moonroof controls for the sunroof and moonroof overhead. Now back on the exterior, we can take a closer look at our alloy rims with Chevrolet badge center caps. We have paint matched mirror caps on door handles. Then around to the back of the vehicle, we have our Trax all-wheel drive and premier badging, Chevrolet badge. Open our lift gate, and we'll see we have plenty of storage room inside, as well as a privacy cover. Onto the rear interior, we also have our chrome door handle, window controls, as well as our speaker and storage. Back of the front seat, we have our magazine holders, and back of the center area, we have our charging outlet. The rear seats are featured in a 60/40 split bench, also in black leather with copper stitching. And we have our fold-down center seat featuring 2 cup holders inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2020 Chevrolet Trax. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.